I decided to choose electrical and computer engineering because I wanted to create for others. My name is Amadu Koroma, and I am building my future at Old Dominion University. I think the world needs electrical and computer engineers because on one aspect you need somebody that creates the hardware. On the other aspect you need somebody that works on the hardware. Technology is always going to be here to stay, and it's going to keep advancing, so I might as well keep advancing and start becoming an engineer.